Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi, it's me, Rick Studley, again. You know what's up? Doing it every daily vlog. Yeah, daily. 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 No, daily. Daily. Whatever. So, my nephews are hilarious. We were at the Cooper's T-ball game today. And it's just like, this one. I had to go check on my nephew, Cooper, because my mom said. So where was I? Oh yeah, his friend Fletcher. No, Brody. It's Brody. Fletcher was on base. Brody just dove for no reason, and Cooper is like, whoop, I'll do it too, and it just started all the time. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah. How long is this? 127. Let's get this 4 minutes. 4 minutes long. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. I'll put in a recording of me and my dog talking about going to the dog park earlier today. It's funny. It's funny. It's going in right now. That's my dog Chip. Take me to the dog park! What? Come on! Take me! No. Let's go to dog park! Let's go to dog park! Let's go to dog park! No. Take me, why? Dude, no. Why don't you take me? Take me! Why would I do that? No! Take me to the dog park! Chip, no! God! Man, that was hilarious. Okay, so... Straw. McDonald's straw. McDonald's is good. I don't know why people say it's bad for you. It's freaking delicious. I don't care. I don't care if people say that. It's freaking delicious. So is Wendy's, Burger King, Subway, Arby's, Five Guys, Burger and Fries. Oh man, you haven't heard of Five Guys, Burgers and Fries? It's on Arapahoe, but right before I-25. It's on the side with Red Robin, not Twin Peaks. That place is on the other side of the street of Arapahoe. That place is good. It's good. It's really good. Oh man. Scenic views. Chihuahua. Do you guys think I look better on this side? This side. This side. This side. This side. Or this side. This side. This side. I think I look good on this side. Not so good on this side. No, that side. This side. This side. This side. Side. This side. Okay, that's good enough. Bye. I still haven't figured out my end phrase. So, bye. Leave. Now. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Okay, bye. Fine. God. Why isn't this stopping? I pressed it once. I pressed it already.